Alright, hello everybody, Covert here, and I'm just going to go over a challenge lock that I'm going to be building, sort of documenting the build. I actually can't really capture it well, but I have a used Baldwin mortise cylinder here with a Schlage C keyway, and I have a key for it right here. I'd actually pick it because this was not the original key and it didn't have a key that worked for it, so picked it, gutted it, and I am going to be using this bit in, and I've already set up the pins over there. So what I'm going to do now is go modify those stock pins and show you guys how I'm going to put this lock back together and then hopefully send it off to somebody. Alright, I'll see you on the next step. Alright, I just finished up shaping the pins. I use a high-powered drill. It gets really high RPM. Most drills don't get that fast. And these needle files I picked up at Lowe's for like $5. They work really well, a bunch of different shapes, and yeah, so let me show you guys what I've got so far. So let's see. This here, let's see, is pin number 5, top pin. The pointy end's going to be against the spring. I'm using bottom pins as the top so I can have more area. So it's got a smaller radius near the bottom, so it's almost like a upside down T-pin with a mushroom pin built in. Then number 4 on the top is just a very sharp, gosh, if this could focus. Yeah, this is even better. A very sharp edge mushroom barrel-ish sort of spool pin thing. Number 3 is an extremely sharp mushroom pin. Like, you could almost cut yourself on that thing. It is very sharp. Number 2 is another pin that has a almost bulb at the end, but with a small little pin sticking out of the bottom there, and again another sort of mushroom pin going on. And then number 1 is a very sharp spoolish mushroom pin. So now for the bottom pins, here is number 1, very, very sharp mushroom pen. Number 2, again a very sharp, gosh, let's get it to focus. That is not focusing. Come on. Let's see. Come on, focus. Well, that is a shame. Well, it's another very sharp one, but with a pin sticking out to interact with the other top pin part. Number 3 is a fairly standard focus. Alright, let's try moving the camera. There we go. Alright, that shows them a lot better. So, come on, focus for me. Let's see if we can... There we go, that's focus. So, number 3, standard mushroom, pretty much. Number 4, again, a very sharp edged mushroom. And number 5 is, again, a standard mushroom. So now I'm going to assemble it and see how it all comes together, and make sure that it all turns smoothly, all that good stuff. I'll be right back. Alright, so here we go. It's all assembled. Again, here is the key bit in. Low, low, high, low, high, and put the key in. It works both ways. If you turn it right, there's a little bit of a catch. I think it's catching on one of the little T-pin to T-pin, or inverted T-pin to T-pin sort of thing. But if you turn it to the left, it doesn't. So yeah, I'm gonna go test and pick it, but there you all go. That's sort of my process. It's not super in-depth, but that's just a basic challenge lock I built, and I'm gonna go try it out and hopefully send it out to somebody soon. Hope y'all enjoyed, and have a good day.